There is 3 types of upholstery cleaning: dry cleaning, shampoo cleaning, and hot water extraction. Let's look at the dry cleaning process. The first dry cleaning process will be done with an absorbent pad. You will apply a dry cleaning solution to the fabric, and you want to then take it off with an absorbent pad in the direction of the primary and secondary lay of the fabric. So you just go in this motion, and the pad is vibrating on the material, and the soil is releasing from the material onto the absorbent pad. And we can take a look at how much is picked up on the pad. So that's what the upholstered piece looks like, and that's what came off of that small area of the chair. The second method we'll be looking at is shampoo cleaning. This is the oldest method of upholstery cleaning. What we're going to do here is make a very thick shampoo lather. It's of a neutral cleaner designed not to attract soil. We will apply it to the fabric in the direction of the lay of the fabric. Again, you do not want to go against the primary or secondary lay. Once the whole piece or the area you're working on is lathered up, it will then be vacuumed away. This process usually does not use a rinse. You could use a rinse if need be, as long as you do speed drying. But the purpose for using the lather is so that the foam picks up the soil and the fabric is not as wet as if you were doing a hot water extraction. And again, you can see it's brightening up, and then we'll just have to groom the piece afterwards. The last method is hot water extraction, or some people know it as steam cleaning. There you can see the amount of the water that is used. And here's a cushion. This one actually has a little bit of pet urine in it, so they're using an ultraviolet light to detect where the urine is, and this will show up other things too, but we use it a lot for urine detection. And then we need to get an enzyme inside of this cushion. It's not a cushion that we can take apart and try to clean the foam. It has some layers of padding and also some duck down feathers. So we're going to use a needle and a syringe, and we'll inject an enzyme inside the cushion. And this enzyme will digest the urine, and then after it's finished digesting it, it just dies and dries. So this is the best way to take care of urine inside of a cushion that you cannot take apart. So then we'll clean the cushion. We're going to use the hot water extraction or steam cleaning method after that enzyme has dried. And you put on a little bit of a pre-spray after you pre-vacuum the cushion. Always remember, you pre-vacuum, and then you can either work in a circular motion if it's a sturdy weave fabric, or you would brush in the direction of the secondary and primary lay. That's always very important. On this one here, this is a nice weave, and he went in a circular motion. And then he's actually using the water to rinse this out, and it's making the cushion quite wet, and that's why we have to do vacuum strokes. And it's very important for the vacuum strokes and then speed drying followed by grooming. So this is hot water extraction.